So I was on the Mango dashboard only to find this one coin that stood out, and that was none other than WLD. Initially, if you told me about WLD and I really had to guess the name of the project, I'm going to be like, that's wild. But no, this is WorldCoin. Now, I haven't really been looking at WorldCoin. This might actually be the very first video I do on WorldCoin right here, but I know that it's picked up a lot of hype, and rightfully so. The price action has been amazing. In fact, in the last 4 days, WorldCoin has actually rallied a good 144%. Now that said, I know some of you guys are going to get into the comments, you're going to tell me that, Krisha, this was an event. The event was none other than an exchange listing. The exchange it got listed on was a South Korean exchange called Upbit. Now people are speculating that this is going to open up WorldCoin for the Asian markets, driving up price action, driving up liquidity. All of that is well and good, but question is this one of those events that buy the rumors, sell the news events? Is this going to come all the way back down to that 87-cent mark to consolidate in that range once again? I think not. Right now, the markets are geared up for the next big impulsive move across the board, not just on WorldCoin. So what comes next on this chart might very well be opportunity for you guys. Would I personally buy in right here? Absolutely not. We've already rallied quite a bit. What I will be looking for, however, is to position on the next higher low in anticipation for the next pump to the upside. Now, before I give you guys the juice, if you're looking to take the trade on WorldCoin, Blowfin right now is actually running a sweet campaign where they're literally giving you money to trade with. A 15% cashback on your deposits. That could be up to $3,000 for free for you to trade with. Now, of course, there are some other amazing prizes that you can win, but honestly, the biggest gift is the 3K, which is, let's face it, pretty much free money. If the trade goes south on you, well, guess what? You're not losing your money. You're going to be losing the house's money. On the flip side, if the trade goes in your favor, you're going to be making significantly more in profits than you would have otherwise. So make sure to use the link in the description below if you want that cash back. As for the juice, question is, will this sell off? Do we come back down to this only rally because it was an event? I don't think so, guys. This is an official breakout. Even if it's an event driving the breakout, it's a breakout nonetheless. This is a huge bullish technical development on WorldCoin's chart. This is in fact a falling channel, which is a bullish pattern, the measured move to which will take WLD back up to its all-time high at around $11. From where price is at to $11. That's going to be a good 550% to the upside. And to think that you get to score that without it even having to break all-time high. So now the main question is, do you buy in right here? No, guys, don't be the sucker who buys into resistance. We got Kijun resistance swinging in at around $2.36. In addition to that, I found WorldCoin on the Mango dashboard. Primarily, I was looking at the Mango hot list right here. So if you click on that, you're going to find all the coins that are currently trending. And if you notice, a lot of these coins are swinging bullish as far as their trends are concerned. But check out volatility. A lot of these coins currently have trade setups on them owing to the low volatility readings. I know that quite a few Mangolians have been able to catch some amazing trades just based on the trends and the volatility profiles. So eyes out on these signals. What we're seeing here is longs across the board. So we know that the bulls are currently taking control. However, the volatility reading currently 94, 100, 100. Guys, this is big volatility numbers. Every time I see volatility expand so much, I'm saying that the bulls might be getting into a zone of exhaustion. And when the bulls are exhausted, that's when you can look for those pullback opportunities. Start using the dashboard to figure out if you can even score a better bid on a pullback. That's often where people tend to get lost. Should I buy in right here? Should I wait on the pullback? What if it runs away from me? Well, this is going to help you with that. In addition to that, the Stokes on the daily time frame have officially crossed bearish. The last few times we got a bearish cross on the Stokes when it was above the 84th percentile mark. That marked a downturn in price action, allowing you to catch a better bid on WLD. So once again, I'll be looking for price to put in that higher low, and that higher low is going to be the bid opportunity. So what is the bid? Well, I for one am going to be looking for the higher low to come in on the 12-hour time frame, particularly based on the Mango dynamic support. Now currently it's green, signaling bullish. We got a positive slope on it, and also it's moving up quite quite aggressively. Now, of course, we have a brand new print with every single 12-hour candle. Now, for those of you who do not have the indicator, that's completely fine because I'm going to be giving you guys the levels right here. But for those of you who intend on getting the indicator, well, there's currently a coupon code that's live, B-Day 2025, owing to Sean's birthday. Wish him a very, very happy birthday. But right now, here's where the bid opportunity comes in at. Comes in from around $1.55 down to $1.36. Based on what the market is doing right now, guys, I think price coming down here has a bigger chance to rally than to break down. So eyes out on the opportunity. And of course, we're going to be following the Worldcoin trade on the Discord chat, so join the Discord. And for those of you looking to put on the trade, don't forget about the free money at the corner of the room on Blowfin with that cashback. Use the link in the description below to get it. And with that, you can trade safely, you can trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.